An opportunity to win prizes. So I ask you to bring out your phone and open this website slido.com. SLIDO.com. Please let me when you have done that. Everyone, there is an opportunity for prizes to be won. A wonderful yoga quiz awaits you. Today as Indian, we are very proud that yoga, which has been born in India, is being respected by the whole world. So all the yoga lovers, this is an opportunity to take part in this wonderful yoga quiz and also win prizes. So now I will share the game code. So in the website, on the left side, you will find an option that you can enter the game code. So the game code for today's quiz is 173506. I repeat, 173506. Nobody has joined till now. I request everyone to now enter their name. You might have an option to enter your name. Yeah, a lot of people have joined. Deepak Singh ji has joined, Gauri Shankar, Sadashivam joined, Sumati ji joined, Himanshu, Kalpesh, Srinivas, Pratap, Preeti Kumar, Soumya, Amit Telang ji, Suman, Ranjan, Kavya, you're all online. So last minute, yes? The number is 173506. So we have around 13 participants till now. So the website is slido.com and the game code is 173506. We will be asking 8 questions in this quiz and there is only one correct answer for each question. The time for each question is 30 seconds. The faster you vote, the more possibilities for you to win the prize. So then we will begin the quiz now. So I am starting the quiz. Some of them want the code again. Okay. So for those who want the code again, the website is slido.com and the code is 1735062. 173506. तो 18 लोग क्विज को ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, बहुत धूप हो रही है. Quiz is starting. So the question is, which of the following is a yoga philosophy text written by sage Patanjali? ऋषि पतंजलि द्वारा लिखा गया योग का डॉक्यूमेंट कौन सा है? ऑप्शंस हैं भगवत सूत्र, भगवत गीता, उपनिषद, योग सूत्र और वेदास. 3 more seconds to vote. The correct answer is Yoga Sutra. 76% have given this correct answer.
Code
17356062. Now we go to the next one. What is the meaning of the Sanskrit word namaste, commonly used in yoga classes? योग कक्षाओं में प्रयोजित होने वाला शब्द नमस्ते का अर्थ क्या है? लेट्स बिगिन. आओ शुरुआत करें. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. I bow to you and goodbye. %91% people have given the correct answer and the correct answer is I bow to you. Namaste. We move to the next question. Which among these is not limbs of yoga as outlined by Patanjali in the योग Sutra. इनमें से कौन ऋषि पतंजलि द्वारा अष्टांग योग का पाठ नहीं है? यम नियम आसन, ध्यान समाधि, प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारण, अद्वैत। इनमें से कौन योग का अंग नहीं है? We move to the next question. What is the term for the yogic cleansing technique of washing the stomach and intestine using lukewarm saline water? नमक के पानी से पेट और अंतड़ियों को साफ करने वाले योगिक प्रक्रिया को क्या बोलते हैं? What is the term for the yogic cleansing technique of washing the stomach and intestine using lukewarm saline water? समय समाप्त हुआ और सही उत्तर है शंख प्रक्षालन। शंख प्रक्षालन एक योगिक विधि है जिसमें आप आसन करते हैं और अपने शरीर और अंतड़ियों को साफ करते हैं। आगे बढ़ते हैं। Which among these saints is the author of the famous book Autobiography of a Yogi? Autobiography of a Yogi एक योगी की आत्मकथा पुस्तक को लिखने वाले इनमें से कौन संत हैं? स्वामी विवेकानंद, स्वामी शिवानंद, परमहंस योगानंद, युक्तेश्वर गिरी। Last 5 seconds. And the correct answer is Paramahans Yogananda. It is a wonderful book. Every yoga practitioner should read this book. I move to the sixth question today. The famous mystic was the guru of Swami Vivekananda. His name is Totapuri, Swami Shivananda, Ramkrishna Paramahansa, स्वामी राम तीर्थ। इनमें से कौन संत स्वामी विवेकानंद के गुरु हैं? टोटापुरी, स्वामी शिवानंद, रामकृष्ण परमहंस या स्वामी राम तीर्थ? अंतिम 3 सेकंड और सबने सही उत्तर दिया। सही उत्तर है रामकृष्ण परमहंस। आज पंडित जी ने भी बोला योगा कर्मसु कौशलम। डेफिनेशन ऑफ योगा इज स्किल इन एक्शन इज योगा और योगा कर्मसु कौशलम इनमें से किस योगिक टेक्स्ट से लिया गया है? वेद, मुंडक उपनिषद, भगवद गीता, मांडूक्य उपनिषद। योगा कर्मसु कौशलम अर्थात कर्म में कौशल ही योग है, इसमें से किस हिंदू ग्रंथ से लिया गया है? वेद, मुंडक उपनिषद, भगवद गीता, मांडूक्य उपनिषद। और सही जवाब है भगवद गीता। योगा कर्मसु कौशलम। 46% people gave the right answer. Now we move to the last question today. आज in Kundalini Yoga, what is the term for the energy center located between the eyebrows? मूलाधार चक्र, आज्ञा चक्र, अनाहत चक्र, सहस्रार चक्र। कुंडलिनी योग में भौं के बीच ऊर्जा के स्रोत को क्या कहते हैं? मूलाधार चक्र, आज्ञा चक्र, अनाहत चक्र, सहस्रार चक्र। और सही उत्तर है आज्ञा चक्र। Congratulations to everyone. Who has won? Please come forward. So, who has won? Please come forward. All have won. Congratulations to everyone who participated. I will check the leaders and the winners and I will invite them. And you can collect your prizes at the end of the program. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much for everyone who participated.
Thank you. Woo.